Where's home?
North Carolina, sir.
That's
19? Yes, sir, 19.
Is there anything we do to help you?
I just need some directions to at least the Georgia-South Carolina line, sir. Once I get there, I'll do the rest. I'll do the rest of the walking.
Good Lord. There's no one you can call for help right now? That's a far way off, bud.
I'm prepared for that, sir.
Yeah, well, how about a bus? There's a bus stop just over by the Walmart.
I don't have enough finances for a ticket, sir. I only have 5 quarters in my pocket.
Well, we do want to get you as much assistance as we can. I got MREs in my truck. You want some of them?
MREs?
Meal ready to eat. It's what the military eats. You know, it's a package deal. At the very least, it's a couple thousand calories per bag. You can stuff them in your back, your suitcase.
I got too much clothes in my suitcase already, sir. Probably set it right there on top.
Something, man. At least you'll have a meal for the day, head and eating a full day. And that's a lot of miles you're going to put in.
Yeah, 148 hours of walking, sir.
How about this? I'll give you a ride to a restaurant. Just down the way, you get yourself a hot meal, warm up a little bit, and then beyond me, I'll pay for it. And you can charge your phone in my car.
You're too kind, sir.
Is that something you want to do? I even give you a better option. I got a gift card from Christmas that's sitting in my wallet. You can have it.
Oh, no, sir. No, sir. You're too kind. Keep that for yourself, sir. You need it more than I do.
Clear it. No, no. You're in a bad spot right now. I don't think you realize how bad. The weather changes, starts raining again. You're going to be out here freezing. Do we care about you? It's a little bit better, isn't it? So this place normally has really, really good pancakes. No, French toast. I'm botched. French toast, man. Best French toast I've ever had. Yeah?
I eat pancakes, French toast, waffles, bacon, eggs, sausage,
Well, you're in the right spot. I think they serve all of it. You have yourself as much as you want. Call your folks, let them know where you're at. If you need anything else, reach out to 911 services, okay?